Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while actually. It's been more than a week or 2 weeks, I would say 3 weeks. I'm not sure, but it's been a while since I posted my last content. What's basically is happening in my world is exams are basically coming in. As you know, I'm an MBA student, and I also work in IT industry, and so kind of my people, the work folks, they actually call me on site. So I had to travel. I had to travel every single day for a couple days, like couple weeks, and then keeping up with life. So it kind of got hectic. So anyway, I hope you all are doing well, and you guys maybe watched my episodes that I have put out. If not, it's okay. As this is, you can always come back. This is recorded anyway. So today's topic is basically, I want to give an update for September, right? It's kind of very important month because there's two portfolios that I'm trying to somewhat compare at this point: Fundrise and Diversy Fund. So Fundrise, they basically give you dividend every quarter, so you get money 4 times a year. And you have a Diversy Fund where they are essentially giving you monthly check or dividend every month. So basically, somebody I know reached out to me today. I'm gonna give a shout out to him. Hold on. This person name is, I literally had it. Let's see. Okay, Jerome Lab. Okay, he basically asked, hey, what's the update on the Diversy Fund? Did they pay you anything or not? So here it is, guys. I still have $500 invested. This is the minimum that you can invest. So for this month, they gave me $2.09. Okay. They actually just redid their website. I honestly love it. It's because it's very easy to look at it. There's one more column I wish they would have provided, like a graph. Well, maybe two. I would like to see graph over time of my dividend that they're giving me. And another thing is the APY. What percentage am I making in a year, rather than just right now they just give you the money. So here's what I have made: $4.44 total, and out of that $2.09 was up this month, and last month I made $2.08. So I guess I went up by 1 cent. Okay, and it's pretty cool. You can look at your progress tracker here. They give you pretty nice. That's my dashboard, my portfolio. So that's that. Let me show you guys the Fundrise. So for the Fundrise for this quarter, they gave me $11.53, and the money of about $1,100, I believe, or $1,000. That's what I originally invested in. I believe I put in $250, and then slowly I kept putting more money. So I believe I put in $1,000. So anyway, they have given me $11.53. So if you were to divide this by, like, let's say 3 months, right? Because if you were to compare this by 11.53 divided by 3, you would have gotten $3.86, right? You were rounding off the last one. 85, so 86, I would say. So which one is better in this comparison? Right now, the $11.57, it looks a lot of money, right? But imagine if I had the same amount of money put it in Diversy Fund, I would have actually doubled, because right now on $500 they gave me $2. So if I would have put in $1,000, right, they were essentially, this would have doubled. So that's what I'm gonna do. By end of this month, I am going to put another $500. Hopefully, in 1 month later or 2 months later, we will see the result and we can compare maybe somewhat apples to apple. That should double, right? My whatever I'm gonna get out of it. I don't believe still you can turn off the auto investment here. So whereas Fundrise, I have an option to kind of, the dividends that I receive, I can get it back. So okay, that's that. And some other big kind of news. Did you guys see the Apple, right, unveiled 4 different types of iPhone? I think it's kind of crazy and it's kind of cool. I'm a big fan of smartphone or Apple, right? When I was in high school, when originally all of these phones started coming out. Before that, I remember the flip type of phone. But anyway, I mean, I am seriously considering switching from Samsung Note 10 to maybe Apple, but I have yet to go to the Apple store and actually try it out. Hopefully, I like camera quality, and if they're good, I did saw the Samsung, the S20 Ultra. It's amazing camera quality. So, but I'm kind of getting tired of the battery drainage on me. So Apple doesn't have that problem. Maybe I can get that. All right, what else? Some of the big news. Everything I feel like is still the same old, that we're in COVID world, right? And things are changing. One of the things that I just saw that today, I can't find it here, but I don't know where I saw it from. But in Wuhan, the Chinese companies, actually, Chinese government is giving vaccine for COVID, so it is not that far out, even though it's not human trial ended yet, safe. So maybe, who knows, we might get some more data, and from that we might be able to get that more, get our vaccine, and hopefully we can go back to our normal everyday lifestyle. I'm looking forward to travel. Whenever things do get back to normal, I want to do Europe. So I mean, I want to go clearly everywhere, but it's just a matter of where do I want to go in first. And it's safe, right? And it's cheap, right? These are the 3 criteria that I have. So I was thinking maybe I could do Mexico, maybe like Cancun, Tulum. That might be kind of fun. It is open. I did double check for US citizens, so that's something to look into. Anyway, let's get back to our investing. In terms of investing, what's going on is that you should definitely, actually, this is a great time to invest, because governments all over the world are investing a lot of money, and this is kind of opportunity that I don't think we will ever going to get ever, in terms of being able to invest in that's cheap. If you haven't really like sold out, you probably seen in your stock portfolio that you raised, you got in like at least 10% return, probably just staying in that. So all right, guys, talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.